Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Show season 2023 starts right here, right now. We're back at Beaulieu for simply Aston Martin. Ladies and gentlemen, how are we all doing? I'm going to start with you guys over here. How are we all doing today? You well? Yes! Oh, they've been here before. Now, the way these People's Choice Award ceremonies work, there isn't a third, second and first. There's two runners-up and an overall winner. So I have the pleasure of telling you our first runner-up of our first Simply Rally of 2023 here at Beaulieu is the 177. Well done, sir. Well done indeed. Great place to be, isn't it? I mean, to be in the top three cars. And to give you an idea of how close this is, I think there was 2 votes separating it. That's how close it was. Well, our next runner-up here at Beaulieu at Simply Aston Martin 2023 is... it is vantage. Well done to you, sir. You are our runner-up. Congratulations. I tell you what, you're not bad to be running up with a 177, are you? That's not bad going, is it? Have you heard how much these are worth now? They're like 3 million quid. They're absolutely phenomenal money. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our next runner-up, our gorgeous Vantage. If I can please ask you, ladies and gents, to extend your applause to our winner, the DB1. Well done to you, sir. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I do hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, underneath this video you'll find a thumbs up. Hit that, and right next to it there's a subscribe button. Hit that, you'll get a new video from me every week. Coming up next are the highlights from Simply Italian. We're back here at Beaulieu in just a couple of weeks' time. Hopefully I'll see a few of you there. If not, don't worry, the highlights will be online the same day as always. Once again, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again soon.